probably 10, 50. See how it looks. The only problem here what we're getting with the offset value is that, you know, the light that is a far distance, the thickness becomes bigger, you know, which is not right. So what we do is we'll turn down the end value here. And also we'll just turn the value down to probably 4. Change this to probably, sorry, 360. And also let's change the color to yellow here. The idea here is we just want to have different lights here with, you know, with random speed and color. So let's see how they look. So some lights are thicker and some are smaller, you know. So what we can do is get this one here, Control D, and bring it again, you know, somewhere here. Probably change it to 2, 3 here. Change the value to probably 40. Just try different values as well. So let's get the first one here again, and Control D. Go to warp here. Probably change it. No. And reduce the size probably to 2. There's one of the odd lights, you know, in the middle. Also what you can do is apply a vector blur to it. That's also a nice tool. If you see, if you turn up the opacity, increase the thickness, you'll see what I mean. And change this one to add. So, you know, there are one of those odd lights somewhere in the middle as well. Again, we'll just Control D and get this light here. Press U. Probably change this to 100. Now what we do, we'll again Control D this one and put it on top and change the color to, let's say, red. We'll just take it to the other side of the road. Turn down the thickness to 4, and then again Control D. Fix this one. Let's put this one to 2. We do is Control D again. Put it further back. Press U and change this to, let's say, 200 and say 10. And let's see how it looks. Change this light color to a bit of oranges, you know, tail light. Control D this one and put it on top of the other ones and change to add. So now that we've got our lights, you can add more lights to it, and of course then you can you know, play around with the values, especially the wave warp and the 3D stroke values, to get the best results. So now the next thing what we need to do is, let's trim the comp to 5 seconds. Right now what's happening is all the lights are coming at the same time, so we need to change their positions. So what we do is we just move the lights, you know. Then what we can do is we can split the layer as well. We go to edit and split layer, and we don't want to see something till here. We want them to break because the cars, they come and go. So we'll do the same with the other ones as well. Control, split layer, and we come here and edit, split layer, and we do it with all of them. Edit, split layer. So we just want to change their positions, you know, play around. We further come here and we further edit and split layer. We change the positions so that they come at different points. They come and disappear as well. Let's do it here as well. So in this way we get different effects. Some of them they disappear and then they come back as well. And also what we can do is we can just go here and 3D stroke, and we can change the the sizes as well. Go to effect and 3D stroke, and then we just, let's say, change this to 1, and we go and change them to random values, you know. Okay, another thing that you can do is go to the first light here, let's say this one, and Control D, and solo this, and go to 3D stroke here and change it to, let's say, add. We make it add, and also we just turn the opacity down to 10, and the wave warp, you can change the height, you know. All the values here is like experimental values. Of course, you can also try out different values and get the best results out of it. Here I spent more time with this one, so this one looks much better as well because there are more lines, thinner lines, and it's all about trying different things with it. More wave lights here, more space warp here. So probably you can also spend some more time with this project and come up with some better results.